Hello, welcome back to my course, and today I will explain to you 3 types of currency pair you should know to trade in the forex trading. So let's get started. And in this lesson, you will learn the top import-export is the top GDP country in the world to know why you need to select the country, the currency to trade. And the second thing, I will introduce to you the major pairs, the cross pairs, the exotic pair. This is a currency you will need to know and to select and trading on the trading first career. And the last one, I will explain to you which currency you should trade most and the reason why. So let's see. So first of all, I will talk about the general macroeconomic, and here is the top import, and the GDP in the world. Why you need to know about this? Because when you want to select the forex trading currency, you need to know which country is the strongest in the world about the economy, the biggest import, export, and the biggest GDP, because the exchange currency volume was impacted a lot by the inflation rate, growth rate, the policy, and the GDP, the import and the export. You can see here the top country you need to focus on is Canada, Mexico, the China, the Japan, and the Eurozone, and the US. Here is the biggest country in the world now, and you need to focus on. But this is a theory. This is theory. You just need to know to reference. I will guide you directly into the currency we will need to focus to be save time. So let's see. On the trading forex, we have the 3 types of currency pairs. The first one is cross pair as a major pair. Why we call it is a major pair? Because you can see on the left side is a top country I just introduced for you in the last page, and the UK, the Australia, Canada, Sweden, New Zealand, Japan, and Eurozone, and US. Here is the top country and the biggest country in the world, and their inflation is very slow and the growth rate is very strong, and the exchange rate about their currency in the world also very big, because most countries import and export their goods. Therefore, most countries in the world need their currency to do it. And you know, US is the biggest country, and the USD also the strongest dollars and currency in the world, with the 80% the exchange the goods and the service by the USD. Why the USD is the strongest? You know, from the World War II, the USD is a common currency from that time to all the countries in the world, to trading, to the importing and exporting by USD. And this is belong to the policy of the US is very intelligent, and each country at that time holds the USD. They can change it to the gold. It means that the gold standards from that time bring USD come to very strongest. And after gold standards was removed, the government, US government also has another policy. They changed from the gold to the oil. They have some agreement with the Middle East country. If some country want to buy the oil from the Middle East, they need to exchange the oil by the USD. This is the two reasons why that until now the USD is still the biggest currency in the world. Totally, the major pair you need to focus on seven pairs. The first one is pound USD, AUD USD, USD Canadian, and New Zealand dollars and dollar, USD CHF, Swiss francs, and USD GBY and Euro USD. Here is the seven main pairs. It's very popular and very useful in trading. Every trader need to know it, and also the pair also have in their portfolio to trade. And then the next one is a cross pair. Cross pair means that the country cross together, not related to the USD. And we have the 9 cross pair here: Euro CHF, Euro Pound, Euro AUD, Euro GBY, Pound GBY, AUD GBY, Pound AUD, Pound New Zealand dollars, and Pound Canadian dollars. And on this pair, I recommend you to trading on 2 green pair. First of all, Euro AUD and Pound GBY. Because the reason why I will explain in the next page. And now we come to the exotic pair. This is third type in the currency. This is a currency belong to the developing country. Therefore, the trading volume is very slow. Normally have no any shocks exchange. So you no need to focus on this thing. Just to know the reference. Even in this currency pair also have the dollars, but the trading volume is very low. So no need to care about this one. And the last one, why a weak currency you should trade, and the reason why. First of all, I highly recommend for the new trader only focus on from the one to two the main currency pair first, because when we have a knows more the appearance of trading, you have a know the ability to can control more the largest of the currency in your portfolios. When you have the more knowledge, you can increase it to the 4, 8, and 12. Now I control and trading on the 12 currency pair at one time, but normally I analyze the 12 pair and find out the 3 main pairs can have the bad trades and only focus on 3 main pair. After I finish trading on these currency, I can analyze again 12 pair. So this is also the guideline for you to on the trading. And the first thing you need to know why you need to select the correct currency. You need to know about the spread. Spread means that the gap or the deviation between the buying price and the selling price. In the forex market, you also call the buying price like the bid price and selling price like ask price. And spread, how it impact to the trading. For example, you want to buy at this level, but actually due to the spread, the market enter on the trade at this level. It means that your profits will be minus a deviation equal to the spread. Therefore, it's very important to know about spread. In some of the case, due to this deviation, the trading can be loose even the forex card is still true. And one more thing you need to understand about spread. The major pair with the very high trading volume in the forex. Therefore, the spread is smaller than cross pair. So, this is the reason why I highly recommend you focus on the major pair first when you want to come to the cross pair. As the next one, the reason we need to know is a select hour to trade, because every country in the world has the working time difference. For example, in the US is from the 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. but in your country is 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. for example, like this. This is a difference. So you need to select the currency as a working time, because at that time the movement will be more bigger than when you trading on the non-working time. And the next reason, you need to select the fast and slow pair to trade. And when you come to compare the major pair and cross pair, you have two things. We need to compare the first movement. Major pair always go more stable than cross pair, and the major pair also have a low fluctuation than cross pair. So when you have no more appearance, you need to focus on the stable pairs and the low fluctuation and low spread first. And when you have the more appearance, you can mix it together to trade. And that's all of the thing I want to say in these videos. And now I will give you some example how you can adding the currency pair into the trading view. You can see here is my trading view. And to add the new currency pair into the portfolio, you can see on the tab on the right side. Here is the adding symbols. You left click on this one and type the symbols, so currency pair 1. For example, I want to add the New Zealand dollars and Canadian dollars. This you can type it and enter. You can add to the portfolio and double click on here. Your chart will appear. That's all about the course today. And thank you and see you in the next lesson.